Hi, and welcome to our course on input-output handling in Python. I'm Robin. Here's Jeff with me today. In this module, we'll explain about the basics of Python's input and output functions.
Programs normally involve taking input from one source and sending the processed input to a destination. All right, Robin, first we're going to have an overview of how Python handles input-output. Python manages input-output operations through command line, files, databases, keyboard, monitors, or consoles. Python also handles Unicode data. All right, so you can do most of your file manipulation using a file object. Before you can read or write a file, you have to first open it using Python's built-in open function. I'll use the open method to write permission to a specific file name example and assign it to a file object.
Whenever you work on objects, you might want to save your data to a file and restore the contents. So you can do this in two ways. You can write it to a file and you can read from it, or you can use the Pickle and Shelve modules. The Pickle module writes to a file and then restores it later by serializing an object into a stream of bytes.
Strings are very easy to read from and write into a file. And in the case of numbers, it is a bit complicated because the read method only returns strings. Those strings have to be passed to a function like int.